Financial advice. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. Please invest your own money at your own risk. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence research as I will do mine. This video is not financial advice. What is up, everyone? This is Safe Investor AG, HBAR Simp Saucy Warrior, and today I want to give you guys an update on my meme coin ETFs, my HBAR and Solana meme coin ETFs. So HBAR has gotten a little bit of a bear market right now. It's taking a break from its run that's been having, which is okay. I had about 700 in my HBAR meme coin ETF, and exactly 500, a little bit below 500, 490-ish, and that's yeah. So it's been doing pretty good. My strategy is that whichever meme coin goes up parabolic, I immediately redistribute it to the other meme coins in Solana. So, for example, Venus, if you follow Venus went parabolic. My problem is that I went a little bit. Let me see, Venus, where's Venus? Yeah, I kind of I pulled the trigger a little too soon when it went parabolic. As you can see here, it went here and then I sold a little bit, redistributed, and it kept going higher and higher. I was like, darn it. And I waited too long and then I sold some here. But yeah, and then some even dropped a lot. So yeah, that's my strategy. When it goes up, so I sold the last bit of Venus up here, around here. And now I am entering back in. So to secure that Venus is going, that my Solana meme coin ETF performs well. So great job, Venus. Shout out to the Venus community. They're really good, actually, and they keep the investors up to date with everything. And then Uranus also went up, and I did the exact same thing, the exact same strategy. So when Uranus went up today, see, I'm following up. See, it spiked. I sold and redistributed. So the goal is, see, I can't time the top. It's impossible. I don't know what the top will be. I don't know. I just do. If it doubles, immediately redistribute it. So now instead of holding 500,000 Uranus, now I'm holding 1 million. And same for Venus. Venus, I used to hold much less. Now I'm able to hold more. I'm maintaining the higher amount of liquidity, or the higher amount of dollars into the token that I believe has a upper or a higher range of spike still. So Uranus, for example, Uranus, in my opinion, is barely getting started, but it'll take some time for it to kick off. So for this egg to hatch, I'm going to have to give it a couple months, and I'm okay waiting that long because look, see, last time it bounced here, it completely went a full 10x. So I'm okay. If I have to wait, I'll wait. I'm more than okay. I'm not in a hurry. This is an ETF. And now Venus, for example, Venus just kicked off with that nice spike. Now is retracing. We'll see how it goes. So I might redistribute it back to maintain the profits that I have. Redistribute it into Taylor, PEPE, BRETTGOLD, and One Punch Man and Andy. So I'm slowly doing it, maintaining. But yeah, I'd like to keep now 500,000 Venus, maybe 750. If it spikes up, I want to sell half, but I don't want to sell completely unless it's a very ridiculous spike. Then yeah. All right. So yeah, we'll see. So far it's looking like, see, the Solana meme coin, it's completely brutal. So there's no way I can time a one token at a time. I just cannot. I mean, if you do that, you're going to get brutally murdered. So my strategy here is to treat it as an ETF, and the minute one token is an extreme or ridiculously high spike, or if it's just went 250% or even 900% or even 100%, immediately take profit, not all of it, and redistribute it to the rest of the bag. So the rest of the ETF to evenly now hold a new bottom. So it looks like the strategy is working, and I might be catching up to my HBAR memecoin ETF. I actually put more in the HBAR memecoin ETF than I did in the Solana. But slow and steady really does win the race. So now, right now, the leading profit makers are Venus and Uranus. I know that the name is really funny. Now, BRETTGOLD, I am looking to shift. I'm looking to shift more into BRETTGOLD because BRETTGOLD is looking like it's reached a bottom. You see this? Every time it bounces on the 200K market cap too many times, it tends to just explode back up. So I'm going to shift. Maybe I'm going to double my position of BRETTGOLD. I already have about 200,000. I'm going to add it to maybe 500,000 and just hold on there. But yeah, that's my strategy, and that's my update so far. Let's see, the one that's performed really well is Bitcoin so far. Donald Trump's doing bad. Everything else is basically just trading as they should, trading with the market, because HBAR, remember, HBAR will drag or pull everything up. So wherever HBAR goes, same goes for the rest of the meme coins, because everything is heavily paired to HBAR and sauce. Now I'm gonna show you why on my next video why I am I am betting a lot on meme coins now, and I feel safer doing meme coins now because I've already secured a bag for the future of one of what I consider to be the safest utility bets in Hedera. So I feel comfortable doing this because, I already secured my bag with my favorite utility token. So this is Safe Investor AG, HBAR Saucy Warrior. What's your strategy when you trade meme coins? Slow and steady? What's it looking like? Do you like to go all in on a certain meme coin? If you have done that in Solana, you've lost a lot of money. How do I know that? Because I've tried it multiple times and I've lost a lot of money. This specific, I've been working on what the best strategy would be to trade, and it would be through a meme coin ETF, a personal meme coin of mine, which I created, and so far it's working out really well. Why? Because you detach your emotions to one specific token, which is the biggest mistake we keep making, and not just one or two. Now you get a basket of tokens, and it's working out for me really well. So now that PEPE, for example, has pushed down while Venus pushed up, now I can shift a lot of the liquidity to the PEPE and even BRETTGOLD. So nothing too crazy. So my amounts are not crazy big. So I'm not going to completely topple the market if I sell because they're just small amounts. I'm strategizing with a lot of brains, in my opinion, and less emotions. And that's why, in my opinion, it's been successful. So yeah, and I'm doing it with strong community-based meme coins. I'm not betting on really, a new pump fund community meme coin that's coming out. You don't know anything about those. Those are so risky. So shout out to Venus for doing well. And in my opinion, I'm keeping a good bag of Venus because Venus is fairly, it's fairly low in my opinion, like really low. If you compare it to its beginning, it has a potential of doing another 10x, and that's what I'm looking forward to. So, and if it does, that'll be amazing for my Solana ETF. And then I'll redistribute my wealth, the profits to the rest of the basket of coins. So yeah, this is Safe Investor AG, HBAR Saucy Warrior. I'd like to know what your strategy to trade meme coins is. I'm really curious. Comment down below. This is Session Tester IG, H% Saucy Warrior, and stay saucy.